this is Iwin Henderson with Coldwell Banker Realty. Today we'll be taking a look at a property at 6511 Hedge Avenue, Cincinnati, Ohio. This updated Cape Cod charmer is located in the Hilltop community of Kennedy Heights. If you haven't done it yet, please like and subscribe to our page and we'll hop right into this video. Let's chat at the end. Tell me what you think. That concludes our tour of 6511 Hedge Avenue. This updated home is one charmer that you don't want to miss out on. If you'd like to see this home in person, schedule your private showing today. You can find information in the description below. My name is Iwin Henderson with Coldwell Banker Realty, serving Cincinnati and Dayton, Ohio. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care.